occasions symbolize hallmarks of achievement and set milestones in the cherished history of educational institutions. We have been endeavoring to achieve our objectives of promoting standard education, developing leadership qualities, strengthening the character and personality of our students, innovative trends in modern technology. Our prime intention was to promote Islamic education along with quality education and acquaint our students with Islamic values. For achieving this, we have been conducting Islamic lectures, Nazara, Quranic translation, and Hifz Quran classes. It is indeed noteworthy that during this brief period of 10 years, the school has earned a repute of excellence in academic, discipline, and extracurricular activities.